Under the Report tab, you have access to the list of daily reports for a project. You can print all reports for a specific period. Select the from and to dates at the top and click the Print button. Or you can print a report by clicking on the printer icon at the end of the Reports row. You can add a daily report. Choose the project and select the date. It is important to note that you can only add a new report for today's date. The app will ask if you want to import the equipment and personnel from a previous report. Choose yes or no, and if yes, select the date of the report from which you want to import the data. Click Continue. The menu consists of 9 options. Next to each option, a red X indicates that no information has been entered for that choice, and a green check mark indicates that information has been entered. The first option allows you to enter your arrival and departure times for the site. The second option allows you to enter the weather conditions. The third option allows you to enter the activities on the site. You can use the voice-to-text feature of your smart device. The fourth option allows you to enter the personnel involved on the construction site. You must select the contractor, enter the number of hours, and the comment is optional. If you choose a subcontractor, you can enter the subcontractor's name just below. Click on Save Information. The fifth option allows you to enter the equipment involved on the construction site. You must select the contractor, choose the category, the company, and the description. You can then enter a comment, choose the number of hours, and click on plus. You can click on the X to delete an entry, and click on the small pencil to modify it. The sixth option allows you to enter an installed quantity. You then need to choose the category and the item. You can enter a comment, a truck number, and a certificate number. You must then enter the quantity. Please note that at the bottom of the field for entering the quantity, a note shows you the total quantity that has been installed to date compared to the total that was planned in the contract. In our example, a total of 7 would have been entered to date for this item, while only 1 was planned in the contract. You must then click on the plus to add this quantity. You can also delete an installed quantity that has been added. To do this, click on the red X on the line you want to delete. You can also modify an installed quantity. To do this, click on the small pencil at the end of the line you want to edit, and the information will appear at the top so that it can be modified. Click on the plus at the end of the line to save the changes. The seventh option allows you to add a photo, which is recommended for each daily report. Choose the photo with the button. Choose File, enter a description, and click Save Information. The eighth option allows you to answer 7 relevant questions about the site. And the last option allows you to view a drawing that would have been previously uploaded by the project manager. If the report already exists, you can modify it as often as you want during the day. You can also choose a report that was created the previous day, but only until noon. This allows you to make the final changes if necessary. It is important to note that every day at noon, the reports are locked except for reports that were created that same day. If you need to modify a locked report, the project manager or an administrator can unlock it, which will create an amendment that you can then modify. And if you want to create a new report for a date prior to today, you will need to request it from the project manager or an administrator who can create this report.